The unable to connect to game coordinator error in Dota 2 stops you from connecting to the game's servers, preventing you from finding or launching matches. This error commonly occurs due to network issues, overloaded servers, or problems with your Dota 2 game files. The main causes include network connectivity problems, server overload, and corrupted game files on your computer. Start with these quick fixes. First, restart the game, Steam, and your computer to clear temporary connection issues. Second, verify your internet connection is stable and working properly. Here's a visual guide to the troubleshooting process. As of December 2025, this remains a common issue, but these basic steps often resolve it for many players. If these initial fixes don't work, proceed to advanced troubleshooting methods in the next section. If a simple restart doesn't fix the problem, more in-depth troubleshooting is required. First, verify the integrity of your game files via Steam. This process checks for and repairs corrupted or missing files that can cause connection errors. Next, check your firewall and antivirus settings. Dota 2 and Steam should be allowed through your firewall and not be blocked by your antivirus software, such as Windows Defender. Temporarily disabling these programs can help determine if they are the cause. Clear your DNS cache by opening the command prompt and typing ipconfig flush DNS. This command refreshes your DNS resolver cache, which can resolve connection issues. Also, try changing to a wired connection. This can eliminate potential issues with Wi-Fi stability and provide a more reliable network link. If problems persist, ensure your network drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause connectivity issues with games. Valve is working on longer-term solutions like Project Phoenix for a more robust game coordinator system. But for now, these steps should help resolve the error.